This is the view of the hillside and the park and the street from my Airbnb. Whoops, almost fell over the balcony backwards right now. That would have sucked. This is coming in. Cute little door. I've already got some groceries like fresh local artisanal bread and fresh tortillas. This is the kitchen. I bought a fresh sponge in case they didn't have one. I stocked up the fridge a little bit with fresh salsa and guacamole. We have fresh chips. Down this hallway you have, you have the bathroom with my stuff. And this big shower with a stained glass window and a toilet. I can't walk, I don't know what's wrong with me. In this room is the bedroom. And it looks out into the living room, which looks out onto the water, which you could probably hear. There's the window from the bathroom, some closets. And here, step down, there's a mirror. Is the living room, nice and bright. And I have this door all the way open, as you can see, it's an accordion door. Here's the balcony, there's the pool, and there's the beach right there. There's some kind of a crime scene. I'm not sure what the heck's going on with that, but oh my gosh, this place. It's amazing.